everyone, welcome to Mystic Queen PH, and for those who are new here, my name is Rowena. I'm an intuitive tarot reader here on YouTube for almost 3 years now. In today's reading, we will see what are the major changes happening to you in 2024. And since this is a general reading, it may not resonate with you completely. So I suggest that you get a reading personalized to your unique situation, and I highly recommend my sponsor, Keen. Keen connects you with gifted psychics, tarot readers, and astrologers. All you have to do is to create an account and choose an advisor from the hundreds of readers online. These readers have unique specialties designed to provide guidance to your situation. You can choose whichever reader best suits your goals, and you'll be able to connect with them via phone call or text chat. You can always have a reading whenever you want, wherever you are, because Keen is available to help you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I've been using Keen for almost a year now, and Keen has helped me whenever I needed clarity and guidance. I have 2 regular psychics that I usually consult with, and they always bring enlightenment in my situation. That's why it's still best to get a personal psychic reading, because it is directed only to your energies. Now, here's your chance to get a personalized reading from Keen. As a new customer on Keen, you can try your first 5-minute reading for only $1. Just go to trykeen.com/QOP or click the link in my description to connect with a Keen advisor. You can also scan this QR code so you can easily access the website. This is a great deal to start a psychic reading online. Imagine it's only $1 for a 5-minute reading. So go to trykeen.com/QOP or click the link in my description and on the pinned comment to get a reading and enjoy a huge discount. Thank you so much for sitting through that, and thank you so much, Keen, for this opportunity. Now, let's go to your reading. Okay, Gemini, let's see what are the major changes coming to you in 2024. Ayan, this is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mystic Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. So let us see, Gemini, anong major changes sa inyo ngayong 2024. Okay, so you have the 2nd house, which is your finances, your talents, your skills, your abilities. You also have Venus in Aries. Ayan. So, I think meron kayong mga bagong masusubukan na sources of income, no? Ways to earn money ngayong 2024. With Venus here, because Venus is a planet that rules money, your love, and also yung mga abilities mo, no? This is luxury. So, with Aries here, I think ito yung yung initiation, no? Pagsisimula ng mga bagong kinagigiliwan ninyo na pwede nyong pagkakitaan. Ayan. So, pwedeng related yan sa mga talent, skills, abilities ninyo na idadagdag nyo sa inyong sources of income or streams of income. This really makes sense kasi meron ditong Feihu. And Feihu is about prosperity, wealth, abundance, generosity. So, I think marami kang mga matutulungan din ng ibang tao, no? Lalo na the more na binibless ka, or the more na marami kang natutulungan, the more na ibibless ka ng universe. Okay? So, you also have, this is Hagalas. So, Hagalas is about mga pagsubok, challenges. Siyempre, hindi naman nawawala yung challenges sa buhay natin. Pero, it doesn't mean na hindi mo na malalagpasan. So, it only means na kaya mo siyang ma-overcome, no? Ito yung tipong, akala mo, itong mga pagsubok na to, katapusan na, no? Hindi siya katapusan. Kasi simula pa lang siya ng mga bagong opportunities na mag-open up sa iyo. So, you also have Mana. So, this is self-awareness. I think meron kang mga, major realizations in your life na pwedeng kailangan mo nang i-let go para makapag-embrace ka ng bagong opportunity. So, pwedeng yung iba magkakaroon kayo ng challenges sa trabaho ninyo, sa career ninyo, and then, yung iba pwedeng mawawalan ng trabaho, or may mga pagsubok pagdating sa sources of income ninyo. Kasi yun yung way para ma-redirect kayo sa bagong opportunities. Okay? So, minsan isipin natin, bakit nawalan ako ng trabaho? Kasi, yung pala, binibigyan ka ng opportunity na makapag-negosyo or ma-showcase mo talaga yung talents and skills mo at makapag-focus ka sa pagpapalago ng iyong abilities, no? Ng mga skill set mo. Okay? So, let us see. And also, some of you are going to connect more with other people. May mga bagong friends. You will go out more often. Kung dati medyo nasa bahay lang kayo or hindi kayo masyado nakikasalamuha sa ibang tao. Ngayong 2024, you will try to network. Oo, kasi itong network mo, yan yung tutulong sa'yo na mag-open ng mga bagong opportunities na hindi mo akalain may experience mo. 'Di ba? Let's see what else. You have the 10 of Wands. Yan. I think ito yung point na marirealize mo na sobrang dami mo palang responsibilities na tipong kahit na hindi mo naman responsibilidad ng iba, inaako mo pa rin. And from there, you will realize na kailangan mong i-let go yon kasi hindi mo na yon responsibility, no? And it's time for you to focus on improving yourself. Kasi minsan, no, pag masyado na tayong focus lang sa work or ang dami nating ginagawa, mga obligasyon na binibigay natin sa sarili natin, hindi na natin, parang wala na tayong time na i-discover pa yung sarili natin, 'di ba? Kasi nga isa lang yung binibigyan natin ng attention. So I think ito yung challenge sa'yo na may experience mo ngayong 2024 na sa una parang ang hirap kasi hindi mo alam kung ano yung i-let go mo, ano yung hahayaan mong manatili sa'yo. But you will be divinely guided, Gemini. Okay? You have the Page of Cups. Yes. I think you will pursue whatever is making you feel excited, creative, imaginative ngayong 2024. Kung meron kayong mga alam niyo sa sarili niyo yun, kung ano yung talento niyo, kung saan kayo magaling, kung saan kayo very interested, kung saan napakadali niyo lang gawin, pero yung iba nahihirapang gawin. So yun yung talent ninyo. Okay? You also have the King of Wands, may travel opportunities for you. You may be planning, meron kang paplanuhin ngayong 2024 about the roadmap, no? Kumbaga, yung direction na tatahakin mo. Kasi pwedeng in the past years, wala kang direction kung saan ka lang dalhin ng agos. But this time, ngayong 2024, alam mo kung saan mo gustong makarating, alam mo kung ano yung goals mo, you're going to set your goals, and you will take action, no, to make things happen for your goals. Ayan. And gagawin mo to kahit mahirap. Gagawin mo to kahit na challenging. Gagawin mo to kahit na merong mga pipigil sa'yo or may mga balakid, no? Kasi ganun kalakas yung loob mo. With the Wheel of Fortune, things are going to change. 'Di ba? Kumbaga, if you are willing to take that step, yung pag-take ng action, no? Definitely change is coming. With the Wheel of Fortune, the wheel is turning in your favor. Okay? Meron din ditong parang naka-point yung arrow sa bahay. So, anything related to your house, andyan din yung change. Pwedeng paglipat ng bahay, pag-acquire ng bagong bahay. Yung iba naman sa inyo, work from home. Ayan. Siguro magta-try kayo ng work from home o kaya naman if you are already working from home, you will try other opportunities outside of your home. Okay? Let's see what else. You have the Queen of Wands. Okay, King and Queen of Wands pareho nasa reading na to. So, I think if you are in partnership with someone, romantic one yan, friendship, sa family, na someone na very supportive sa'yo, magagawa mo to sa tulong ng mga taong naniniwala sa kakayanan mo. So, kumbaga, hindi ka naman nag-iisa dito. Oo. Gagawin mo to, ipupurso mo to because of the people who are also willing to give you support. Yes. You have the Emperor. Wow. So, this is Aries energy. I think ito yung iiwanan mong sitwasyon na challenges sa finances mo. Yes, with the magician card here. Pagtutulungan nyo to no? Pagtutulungan mo to ng partner mo or someone who is very supportive of you ngayong 2024 na makaahon sa challenges pagdating sa finances. And I also see you tapping into your talents, your skills, your abilities, and gagamitin mo yan to earn money, to improve your livelihood, no? Makadagdag ng mga income para sa'yo. Yes, look at that. Soul's growth. Growth is never easy. Have faith and trust the journey. Yes. Pagtitiwalaan mo yung journey na proseso na pagdadaanan mo. Oh my God. Oh, Gemini, new pathways. Consider whether you are happy on your current path. Yes. So, may bago kang landas na tatahakin. Make conscious choices. Yes, itong mga choices mo na to, sinasabi dito conscious. So, dapat aware ka dito sa choices mo. Hindi to yung tipong ini-mini-mini mo, alin dito. Hindi ganon. So, pag-iisipan mo yan, aware ka sa mga decisions na gagawin mo at you will take responsibility for these decisions. Especially kung alam mong ito ay makakapagpa-unlad ng kabuhayan mo, ng sarili mo, at this will open new opportunities and new beginnings for you. Okay? So, that is your reading, Gemini. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Gemini. See you again.